welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'm showing how to make tortoise fancy dress for kids. This is a small bathtub. I have covered the bathtub with green cloth. On top of the green cloth, you can stick some foam sheets or some cardboard sheets like this. Stick the foam sheets and cardboard sheets using glue gun. Next, make a paste out of chalk powder, fevicol and water. Apply the paste in a circular form so that you get a texture. Once the texture is completely dried, it will look like this. The colors which I am using are sap green, burnt sienna and dark brown. Next, to make the face of the tortoise, take a cloth and cut it in this shape and then stitch it on both the sides. Leave one end of it open. Add some soft toy stuffings or waste cloth into it. Place the cloth cap on the open end and stitch it. Apply the chalk powder paste and then color it. The face will look like this. Next, I am showing how to make the feet of a tortoise. Make some cutouts of this shape using a chart paper. Take the socks and then using glue gun, stick it as shown. This is how it looks after you complete it. You can color it using green, sap green and brown color. This is how it looks after you complete it. On the other side of the shell, attach the cord as shown. If you like our videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.